First, connect the power cord. Connect the air pump tube. Connect the air outlet pipe to the ironer. Open the distribution box and connect the air outlet pipe. Place the drain pipe of the ironer in the bucket. Pour water into the water tank or connect the water pipe. Turn on the main power switch. Press the power button. Press the boiler start button. The water supply system light is on. Start supplying water. Connect the plug of the lighting lamp. This is the lighting switch. This is the table suction switch. Press it and the table will continue to suck air. This is the table blower switch. The table keeps blowing air after pressing. This is the table heating switch. The water supply is completed and the heating light is on to start heating. This is the pressure gauge. Heating light off. Heating completed. Open the exhaust valve. Add stain remover to the cup. Press the switch lightly to release the air. Press it to the end to spray out the stain remover. This is the cold air switch. This is the hot air switch. Spray gun air exhaust effect. Ironer air exhaust effect. Gently press the pedal to suck in air. Step heavily on the pedal to blow air. Rotate the air door handle to switch the air door. Gently press the pedal to suck in air. Step heavily on the pedal to blow air.